uniform supplier, you'll know that not every organisation orders and manages their uniform in the same way. Therefore, you need a uniform management system that is entirely flexible to your clients' needs. Some of your clients may order in bulk from you, but more and more the request is for Manpacking solutions. Now, Manpacking, I've heard it called many things. I've heard it called kits, starter kits, packs, wearer packs. Essentially what it means is that you're ordering on behalf of a named individual, and the whole order is processed, packed and delivered specifically for that employee rather than in bulk within one box. Now, the two main ways in which SmartRed handles this is, first of all, allowing employees their own direct access to the portal so they can complete their own orders through the simple e-commerce style interface. The second option is giving people some administrative rights to order on behalf of employees. Now, within SmartRed, you can order each item that would be within somebody's wardrobe individually, or you can order a starter pack, which is a collation of lots of different items that people will need before they start a role. You simply add this to cart, check out, select your delivery address, and this is sent through to you as a supplier so that you can post directly to that employee. Now, there are more flexible options within SmartRed as and when required for some companies. So some companies are required to deliver uniform before an employee starts. So you can set up additional rules where for one order, or potentially for all orders, each individual employee can select the delivery as their home address. There are various options as well in terms of the kit itself, is to give as much flexibility within that kit. So within a kit, you're allowed to have short and long sleeved items as interchangeable, colours, other variations that may be on offer and that are compliant with that company's uniform policy. And ultimately, SmartRed gives full traceability of the order. So once that order is submitted to you as the supplier, you can connect up with any carriage suppliers to make sure that they know you've received the order, it's been dispatched, when it will be delivered, where it will be delivered to, and where it is along that journey. So if you're looking into a uniform management system and Manpacking is something that you offer to your clients, you need to make sure that your uniform management system complies with this. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments or message me directly and I would be delighted to answer them.